how to make a playlist on YouTube. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video, and we're going to start right away. Now the first thing you need to do is to open your YouTube account. Then on your channel homepage, you need to click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of your screen. Then on these options right here, you need to click on YouTube Studio, and you'll be directed to YouTube Creator Studio. So once you're here, now go to your left hand option and click on playlist right here. Under channel playlist, you'll see I have playlists that I created earlier, which will be listed down here. Now if you want to create a new playlist, just click on new playlist in the top right hand corner of your screen under your profile icon. Then next, here you need to now type in your new playlist title in this blank space right here. Then on visibility, select how you want to set your playlist. So we have public, private and unlisted options. So I'll select public. Then next, click on create button down here, and here as you can see, your new playlist will be created. So we are not done, so there are several things we need to add to our new playlist, like videos and some few settings. Now on your new playlist, just click on this pencil icon and your playlist detail will open up in a new tab. So as you can see, our new playlist has no videos. So now first I'm going to add description on my playlist right here. If you want to add playlist description in your playlist, just click on this pencil icon found in the description section, then write a description that relates to the title of your playlist or videos that will be adding into your playlist. So after that, just click on save and your description will be saved, right? Next, now I want to add videos to our playlist, so just come right here on these three dots, then click on them, and then on these options just click on add videos. Next on your screen here, we have three sections we can use to add videos in our playlist. So first is video search. So here you can search any video with the title you know, or in the search tab right here. Then if you see the video you want on your results, you can click on it, then add that video into your playlist. So here you can add any video that is found on YouTube. It doesn't have to be yours, so you can just add any video. The next tab here is URL. If you have or you know the video link you want to add into your playlist, just copy and paste it in this blank space right here, then add that video into your playlist. Then last tab is your YouTube videos. So these are now the videos on your channel. On your content list, select specific videos you want to add into your playlist, and you can select as many as you want. So once you're done, just click on add videos button, it's down here. Then videos will be added into your new playlist, and here as you can see, the first video's thumbnail will be selected as playlist cover. So if you want to change, just take your cursor to these two lines on any video you want to use as your cover, then hold while dragging that video to the top, and your playlist cover will change. The few remaining settings, you may want to enable a collaboration. Just click on these three dots again, then right here you need to click on collaborate option. Then on this pop-up, enable collaboration by clicking on this gray button right here. Then next you'll see allow new collaborators will also be enabled. Now you need to click on done button, then from there you'll be allowing anyone to add videos into your playlist, right? So another playlist setting is here. You can enable embedding or a new videos, or you can set as official series to this playlist by clicking on these buttons right here. Then the last one, you can easily delete YouTube playlist if you want by clicking on these three dots right here. Then on these options, come down here and click on delete playlist, and from there now you need to follow few prompts and your playlist will be deleted. So guys, that's how you can make playlist on YouTube. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.